Okay, so check this out right here. The universal socket. These things are awesome. This is the self-adjusting socket. You can pretty much put this on anything, but this is the big boy. The standard 7/16 to 1 1/4. So a little bit bigger than what you normally get. So pretty cool package right here. You get both the socket, but also you get a adapter. So I have one here, but this one comes with its own adapter that you can use with a drill. So that's pretty awesome. I'll show you that in a second. You just attach that right there like that, and then you take your drill and put that on, and you're ready to go. Pretty much turn and attach to anything. So I've got a few different things right here. Let's check this out right here. It fits onto multiple things, so it's gonna attach to any type of nut or bolt that you have. Okay, even one of these, an eye bolt. All right, it's gonna attach to that. You can screw that in. Yep, it's tight. Even something like this, it's gonna go in there. Check that out. That's awesome. I mean, going from this to this, being able to turn something without changing is pretty awesome. Even this smaller size, so you can pretty much go at any spot on here, which is super cool. Okay, even this big nut, and as you can see, you can even get a bigger nut. 1 1/4 is the size, but you can see all the different fittings that it's going to take. So pretty awesome socket, universal socket, very cool. Definitely a good gift. Chrome vanadium. All right, 11mm to 32mm, or 7/16 to 1 1/4. But nice and heavy duty, nice and solid socket. Very good to use, definitely, for sure. If you want to get one of these, I'll link it up down below, and you can check it out and pick one up yourself. But this is gonna be awesome. Pretty much use it for anything. Nice.